Exploring impossibility, modal verbs and beyond. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating part of English grammar: modal verbs for probability. More specifically, we're going to focus on how we can use these verbs to express impossibility. It's a powerful way to articulate our thoughts, so let's get started. Before we dive into expressing impossibility, let's quickly revise what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are a small group of verbs, which we use to express things like possibility, ability, necessity, and permission. They include verbs such as can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, and others. Now, onto the main topic: using modal verbs to express impossibility. We often use the modal verbs can't, couldn't, and must not to express that something is impossible or highly unlikely. For example, he can't be at home. I just saw him at the supermarket. They couldn't have missed the train. They left really early. She must not have received the message. Otherwise, she would have replied. In these examples, the speakers are expressing their belief that a certain situation is highly unlikely or impossible. While can't, couldn't, and must not are commonly used to express impossibility, keep in mind the context and nuance. Can't is used for present situations. Couldn't is used for past situations. Must not usually suggests a strong belief about a negative situation in the present or future. And there you have it. Modal verbs offer a straightforward way to express impossibility in English, helping you to express your thoughts more accurately. Remember to consider the nuances of can't, couldn't, and must not while constructing your sentences. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing and you'll master these in no time. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!